All right, another really fun way to use numerology with tarot. This is very similar to the video previous to this one. This is the year card. Now, you can go through and do this for every single year of your life, and you can associate a tarot card to every single year of your life. Now, some tarot cards you can keep them at the 2-digit number, or you can reduce them down. And if you're making a graph, let's see if I have my graph where I've done this. Yeah, I do. If you're making a graph, sometimes it's good to make note of those maybe in different colors. It's hard to see the colors on here. I've got a lot of red dots kind of near here at the bottom, and they're supposed to be yellow, but they're really very hard to see. So I kind of graphed it out so that I could see the way you numerically you add the year. So right now, this current year, you would add 2, 0, 1, 9 together. So 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 9, that equals 12. And you'll keep it there because that's a number, again, between 1 and 22, okay? So keep it there. It's the 12 year. That's the hangman, the hanged man. So this is kind of like a year of pause, a year of somewhat of reflection, of waiting for the universe to align with the energies that are appropriate so that you can start moving forward. And boy, oh boy, I felt that for me. I absolutely did. So it's kind of interesting. Everybody has these things that they start doing. They're like, what's your word of the year? You know, numerically, you may want to find out if what your word is and line it up a little bit with the energy of the tarot and see what happens, because I can't remember what I said my word for 2019 would be. Maybe I should go back and figure it out. I can't remember if it was 2018 or 2019 that was the word allow. Goodness, I don't remember. I have a feeling that was 2018, but I'm not sure. These 2 years have gone by, and I think I did that. I said it in 2018, then it took the whole year for me to allow to be the word of my year, and I finally allowed it here in this year. So that's kind of an interesting observation for me while making this video for you. So these charts, you just use graph paper, okay? This happens to be copied out of a book that I got this out of, which is, again, the Mary Greer's old book called Tarot for Yourself. This would be the tarot card number going down, and this would be the year going across, and you can make your graph a chart like that. So it's just something fun you can do. You can look at the different cycles that you have, because after a while, with numerology, your cycle will start to repeat. So you may not always experience all the tarot cards throughout your life because you're having a cycle to move through. So it's really interesting, and you can see I've got like the plots tracked out for all the future years. Where I can see exactly, what might be going on for me in those future years. So it's quite interesting. Anywho, I thought that I would leave you with a little bit of that before we go into some of our more in-depth spreads with the next videos. Okay.